welcome to Dave's Think Tank. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. As a pinball owner, you probably know you got a lot of boxes. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but this box seemed like maybe it was deserving. This is from Classic Pinball Restorations, a company here in Canada. Okay, I'm going to have to do the other end. I'm going to have to cut down the middle as well. You have to be careful going down the middle. You don't slice right into whatever you've purchased. Okay. Oh, I think maybe I have to turn it over. Okay, good, it seems to be well protected. Aha! Another box. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got in here. And here is my brand new Star Trek playfield. I'll get back to you. So this is a brand new playfield. A lot of you are probably thinking, Dave, I've seen your playfield, it's beautiful, why would you need to replace it? I'll show you what's going on with the playfield later, but for now this is from Classic Pinball Reproductions, and they are out of Halifax, right here in Canada. So it arrived very quickly. I was really surprised. I ordered it Monday or Tuesday. This is Friday. It arrived this morning. It is clear coated, so I was hoping for some written instructions. This is kind of a long-term project to transfer everything from here to here. One of the things I read online is that you do have to let it cure for about a month, so I won't even be thinking about this for a month. But it looks gorgeous. Now I've got a few extra pieces that I ordered. Got some plastic sets for all three machines. Got for the Star Trek, for the Vector, for the Flash Gordon. So I will put those together, and I'll let you see what those look like. But for now, this is going to go in the corner to just sit for about a month. And yeah, let me show you what's going on with the Star Trek over here. So I bought this machine in '92, I think it was, and about 10 years later, the playfield was very worn. Well, it arrived worn, and it was quite worn all through here. This is all gone, and everything's gone around up here. And I thought of various ways to work on it. And about 2003, they started offering playfield overlays. So I found this overlay available and purchased it. And it was quite a project. Had to take everything off the top, had to sand the picture right off, sand the wood as smooth as possible, put on a layer of varnish, sand the varnish, put on another layer of varnish, sand that, put the playfield down, glue it all in place. It was quite a production, but it was absolutely gorgeous for probably at least 15 years. And then it started developing little bubbles. You could see little bubbles here and there, and I thought of various things to do with them, but didn't do anything. And as the years went on, over the last 10 or 12 years, it has slowly come undone through the middle here. So I don't know if you can see that, can hear that. All through here, it's come undone, come unglued. So back here is fine, all through here is fine. Everywhere that it's held down by something, it's fine, but just in the middle here, it's all come up. So I've thought of various things I could do with it. I could take everything off again, peel it up, re-glue it. Maybe some heat would allow it to unbend and fold down, and I thought, well, that's way more work than I want to do. So I got the idea of, what about a complete replacement of the entire playfield? So that's what I'm going to do over the next few months, and I'll be filming that and letting you know how that goes. So as I said, I also ordered these 3 sets of plastics for the 3 machines. I'll just open one of these up to show you what I've got here. Well, this, by the way, is the rollover buttons. I guess those have to be replaced as part of the new playfield. So this is for the Flash Gordon, and it's got new plastics for the...
Number 2 shield is gone, sir.
Oh, number 2 shield is gone. New plastics for the front metal bars. Not sure what to call them. Oh, that's for a keychain, I guess. Now there's 3. These 3 items for the coin slots. And for the front of the door. Oh. And for the shooter. Okay. Well, I think these have, these seem to have plastic on them to protect them. Okay, I'm going to take that off. I'm going to try installing these, and I will show you the result. Well, I've got the new plastics on the Flash Gordon. There's the new flipper lane guides. They're plastic instead of metal, so they brighten the thing up a bit. Here's the new shooter lane guide. And new coin slot covers. And a new door emblem. So the upgrade plastics for the Star Trek include a couple of plastics to cover up these metal posts here. I've never really worried about them or been particularly concerned, but they do look a bit better. They're fairly dark plastic, so you're not really going to see them while you're playing. Now on the coin door, I've had to turn the lights off because the backlighting caused these to be completely obscured. But they are very nice plastics, nicely done graphics. The big diamond-shaped one in the center is very interesting. One thing I would suggest if you're buying these, they do not come with a sticky backing. So when you pull the paper off the back, you don't have a sticky backing. So I left the paper on and held it on with the Handicraftman's secret weapon, double-sided tape. So yeah, just leave the paper on, and that way you don't have to put tape on the actual back of the plastic and risk ripping off the picture in the future. And one other item they have, I'm not really impressed with this gauge cover that they've put together. The colors are very dark and don't really match the rest of the machine. It has the words begin launch sequence, but you can't see the words launch sequence because they're underneath the lock bar. So that's kind of a fail. I think I'm going to have to work on some graphics of my own to put there. Something which will match better and be a little more interesting to look at. Yeah, also they've this is a shooter gauge, but they've taken out the gauge. So, and this is a game where you really do need a gauge for the shooter because you've got a lot of things you're aiming for. You're aiming for the A or the B or the saucer, or you may want to bounce off the 10 point before landing in the saucer. There's all kinds of options there, and you really need a gauge. So yeah, overall that piece is a fail. The gauge on the Vector, however, is really nicely done. The graphics fit in really well with the machine. The graphics are actually taken from one of the plastics. The stripes are taken from elsewhere in the machine. The coloring scheme is all taken from the machine. You can use those stripes as the gauge. It's really nicely done. So that really brightens up the machine. It's something really sharp. So I like that. And on the front of the machine, we've got the replacement plastics. Again, I've got the light turned off because backlighting them it just doesn't show up. But these look really good, especially when they're lit. And here we have another diamond-shaped plastic with graphics taken from the machine. Really well done. So I think overall this is a big win. I think it's a big improvement to all three machines. Okay, that's enough for today. Let's play a game. Well, this is what it looks like now with the overlay. There are all kinds of little runs through here, and so watch the game when the ball's in this area, see if it occasionally takes a little jump in one direction or the other.
Pull ahead. Warp factor 1.
Warp factor 1.
Arm photon torpedoes.
USS Enterprise calling Klingon vessel.
It does tend to swerve a little bit this way when it's coming down here, which is bad when it's coming for this flipper, but it's good when it's going for the hole.
Lasers on stun. Photon torpedoes, fire! Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes. Prepare to transport. Arm photon torpedoes. Arm photon torpedoes. Try again.
Not a stellar game so far. Give me the B. There you go.
Photon torpedoes, fire! Arm photon torpedoes.
Yes. Oh, come on, no. 300,000.
USS Enterprise calling Klingon vessel. Acknowledge, please.
Arm photon torpedoes. Photon torpedoes, fire!
Oh.
Lasers on stun.
Oh.
Arm photon torpedoes. He's dead, Captain.
Well, 414,000 and a free game. Not bad.